Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Mazda CX-9 Grand Touring in machine gray. With Mazda radar cruise control, smart city brake support, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D8007.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.